It's so much better than it ever has been because of these products.
You want something that works, try this.
It could change your life like it changed mine.
Sleep? I'm going on vacation today, this evening.
Oh, so he's your last.
For 3, no, not my last, well, no, I think we have a big one or something today. Make sure I'm not hurting you. Well, our last day, so he's not our last one today.
He's the first surgery.
He's the first one today, actually. You okay, right? Mm-hmm. Good. So we just seeing if we can find your little lipoma friend here first. It's gonna buzz you here a little bit, so you can know the buzz noise, but nothing should hurt. It's not hurting anything.
Nice, good. Are you finally packed then?
Kind of, not really, kind of. But yesterday was pretty cool. I can't wait to see. I hope the pictures are good. They were like, it was like so professional.
Were they? Oh.
It was, yes, it was, they were so good. But so we were having like these photos done for this magazine. Mm-hmm. And I almost fell in the pool. I kind of fell. I kind of fell, but I didn't fall completely. Oh my God, you should have heard everybody. They were like, ooh, because they had me try to like kick some water or something. And yeah, I tripped. Oh, it was like slow motion too. It was like, oh, you know, when you're like
just your
slow.
feet, like.
Part of me went in, but my hair and my makeup didn't get wet. So we could continue. Can you imagine? Yes, I know. It's like you protected the money maker.
Like the commercials you see when they have an accident and they're holding a beer
Yeah,
can.
yes. I did that once. I was at Ontario Convention Center and my kid, I was carrying him down the stairs and I tripped as I was going down and I totally ate it and hurt my knee bad, and my kid I was holding on like up in the air.
Oh.
You saved the kid.
Yeah, but everybody came running and my husband was walking ahead of me and he didn't even know, and he walked by and everybody like else was like, are you okay? Are you okay? I'm like, yeah, except my husband's still walking away. He's like oblivious. He's like oblivious. Yeah, where is this little friend of ours? Let me see. I think I see the top of them. But let me buzz around here a little bit, and I think I made this real small. Let's see if I can grab him with my hemostat. See something under there, right? That little bit right there, I see something. Let's see if I can get to him though. It's right there. You okay? Mm-hmm. Sure, right? Making
sure.
Okay. You know you're just doing this for your wife, I know. She said it was time. It got smaller and smaller as I go. Harder for you to see it. Let me see if I can grab it. Something. See if you can feel me pulling, but you shouldn't feel anything sharp or uncomfortable, okay? I got the top of it. I can see it. I'm just trying to grab it enough so I can pull them out. She's like, I got my camera here and I can't even see anything.
I know. I'm just videotaping you guys.
Are you okay, right?
Yeah.
I know it's weird and tuggy and everything, but make sure nothing ever hurts. You okay, right? I'm gonna keep asking you that like a broken record, okay? Okay. Just trying to get to it. You okay? You're making all these weird noises. Like,
He's chewing his gum.
Okay.
He's enjoying his piece of gum.
Here, I want to hear some good. Come on.
Tap it, please.
Good news.
Thank you. Yeah, he's stuck under there. That's gonna be the tough thing about these. They're just wedged in there. I gotta take them out in pieces. It's okay. As long as you're okay with it, I'm okay with it. He's here. It just doesn't want to pop out. These men with their fibrous, you know, they got these annoying fibrous ones.
They don't want to.
They don't want to pop out easily, no.
They don't want to get rid of it. They want to hold on to it forever.
Let that happen. They do. It's like it obviously, you can see it. It just doesn't want to move. It's stuck under there. You okay, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's like it doesn't want to detach. We're getting parts of him, but maybe it'll start easing out now. Maybe, look, let's see. Come on. You're okay. I'm not tugging on you too hard because I can put more numbing right there. You feeling any of that? I feel like I'm going to give him something. He's just being a tough guy. And like later he'll go, man, that was hurting me. I wasn't saying anything. Yeah, you watch him. Make sure he's okay. You know him. He starts chewing his gum a lot or something. Like, no, we almost have him. But it's just under there.
It's in there.
I know. I don't know if it's going to make the greatest video. Can you pull that way a little bit? Thank you.
I probably would have just reached in there and grabbed it all out.
Yeah.
Look at her. Look, she's loving this. Oh my goodness. This is her birthday gift, her Christmas gift.
Huh?
She doesn't want to come out.
It's coming out. I think I got the bottom of it there. But it's definitely coming out in pieces.
Jeez.
Here, this is it right here. See?
So I have to tell you a story.
What is that?
I was in there in the doctor's office when they performed his vasectomy.
Uh-huh.
But
Did they get to let you cut it? Do the final cut or anything?
the doctor didn't want me to touch it because
Right.
he was just like, no,
Right, of course, yeah,
So-
that would make sense to me.
But I was like,
normally.
can you please put it in a jar so I can take it home?
What is it that they put in there? Like, no, not as like scrotum. They
No,
don't
the
put it,
vein.
yeah. Okay, the
The
vein, I
vein.
see.
But he wouldn't let me. My husband's
Aw.
like, really, Monica, you can't do that. I go, yes, I can. It's a never-ending
You missed your
reminder.
calling.
I'm telling you, it was either the legal field or the medical field, but I went the legal way instead.
Did?
But my daughter's kind of merging into the medical field.
Is she? So that
yeah.
makes you happy, maybe. You got one in your family.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm tugging on you. Please let me know if anything's really uncomfortable because I see it. I'm getting it. I just have to pull on him a little bit.
You okay, hon?
I feel the tugging now.
You are you hurting?
No, I'm not hurting.
You feel the tugging, right?
I feel
Yeah.
the tugging.
I know. Sorry about that.
You're wrestling.
Yeah, I am a little bit. Yeah, let go of that for just a minute. Just feel how flat it is now.
Yeah, so our daughter tells us,
Definitely flatter.
I know all these things in the body, and what about this, and what about that? He says, you should just finish and just go to medical school. Or do
Yeah.
nursing. But she's doing kinesiology with a minor in nutrition.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
But does she like this stuff too?
Oh yeah. She's getting used to it.
Oh, you're trying to get her in there, trying to get her used to it,
Well,
accustomed
I
to
don't
it
want
too.
her to be afraid of blood and gore.
Yeah.
She goes to GCU, and they're already doing cadavers. They've already done cadavers as part of their lab, so.
It's tearing on us, but it's coming a little bit. You okay?
Yeah.
You're wiggling your legs, so I feel like you can feel. I just want to make sure you're not hurting. It's here. It's like right here. Do you see it? That's tearing.
Okay.
Let me grab that. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
It's right here. I got the edge of it. It's just.
She's almost done.
Oh, she's just like whatever. As long as I get my lipoma out, she doesn't even.
It was his friend.
He's like, I
That was
know it.
hanging around, huh?
I know
Yeah.
I have it. It's right there, guys. You see it. Oh, thank you. I think I need the hook for you to do that. Sorry. We almost have him. It's the bottom of it here. Oh, oh my gosh, look, it's right there. Okay. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on, little baby. Come on, little baby.
Come on, baby. Come out. Let's
He's
go.
coming. He's coming.
Let's do it.
Well, I think there's just one little bit right there.
Come on now.
Just make sure I'm not hurting you, because I really don't have to, okay? I can put more numbing right there. I can't tell if he's, I know he's making movements, but I feel like, is he like a tough guy? Like he just doesn't say anything?
He's just anxious.
Yeah, I know. That's what I would figure.
He's just anxious.
Okay. Just making sure he's not hurting now. It's just last piece right here, and it keeps tearing on me.
It's just the tugging. Around.
Yeah, it's a weird sensation.
Yeah.
You can hear it, and you just know.
Yeah.
I know, it messes with your mind. I know.
Yeah.
I
You're
always
doing
tell
awesome.
him though, you can't compare. I said, try giving birth to 3 children, then you tell me.
It's not gonna happen now.
Yeah, it will never happen. But you know, it's the idea of putting it into perspective.
Let's take a look here one more time. Drop that again one more time. Let me just take a look. Okay.
It's gonna be sore afterwards.
Yeah, but I don't think it's like that sore that, because I'm not cutting on muscle, though I probably am tugging a little bit on you. It might be a little bit sore, but I don't think it's anything that you need. Let me pull that back again. Sorry, I keep doing that to you. This is it. I see it. I know I keep saying that, but this is really it. These silly ones are such a challenge sometimes, these little ones. These stupid lipomas. You feel a little bit more now in there. Yeah, it's pretty clean now. Here's the last.
Okay, Ann?
Am I hurting you? Pull back here. Yeah, no?
Oh.
He's tired. He's just done with me. Let me take a look. Hold on to that just now for me, just in case. There's just that piece right there. Yep, right here. I can hear it. Right here. Pull that way. All right, wait, hold on. We gotta readjust you. I think we're moving you around a little bit. Pull your head back a little bit for us. Yeah, good. Now bend your head
Those
down.
are sterile.
Yeah,
You can't
yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Pull this way then with that the help, please. Thank you. You're okay. Last little bit right here. See it? You're okay though, right? Don't lie to me. I feel like he's not telling me if I'm hurting
You
him.
okay, Marco?
Yeah.
He's just tired of me
So,
here. Okay, you're done? You feeling over there? Okay, done. Done with that.
She got the last piece.
I think I got it. There, go that again. About as much as I can get. I think I got it all though. I mean, if there's no, I don't see anything there. It's good. I don't
It
see
looks
anything
good
left there.
already, and you can't even see it now, the bump.
No.
It's
Yeah,
flat.
it's flat.
good.
Pull that last piece out. I feel like I see something right here. You know I'm here. I gotta clean it out. Yeah, there we go. That's good. That did it. Okay, now we're done. Phew.
Now she's just gonna stitch you up. Huh?
Big few for you, but you got like a little. You could put like a nice like I don't know, and your favorite rock or something in here. You got like a space here. You could put something in. Yeah, you could put some a stash of something. I'll tell you that. But you got a lawyer in your family. I'm gonna be careful
You're not
what
a
we
raccoon,
say
honey.
here.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry. No
You
squirrels.
do. It's like you're a marsupial right now. You got a pocket.
Oh.
You got a pocket. You're done.
Okay.
You okay? Feeling better?
Yeah.
You okay?
She's just gonna put you some stitches back.
That's fine.
Relax.
I am.
Oh, he is relaxed. He's doing great.
So relax.
Now he's relaxed because he's gone.
I'm relaxed.
He's as relaxed as he can be with me giving him a little pocket behind his
His neck.
his head. Yeah. Again, all you gotta do is say Merry Christmas. That's it. I'm out. I'm done. That was your gift, Mama.
I know the kids were all, really? Dad, you're gonna go? You're gonna, ugh.
Why?
Because they know how Dad is.
Oh, I see. Now we know how Dad is. Dad did not want it. Dad, you did. I had a good poker face when you were coming in here. No problem with anything. The truth came out now. Dad just remembered him. So I'm gonna put stitches in here that I'm gonna have you take out in 10 days.
Okay.
I know you live a little bit of a distance, so you actually can take them out if you like. Mama can take them out.
Yeah.
That'll be her Christmas gift. Actually, that might be right around Christmas.
I can put
That'd
that
be
one in the
perfect.
jar.
She'll enjoy that.
Yes, you can keep those in a drawer. You can keep those stitches as long as you want. And that's it. It might just be a little. We're gonna put a little flatter bandage on here. Maybe when you're on the way home, like you can lean against like a towel or something, wrapped, just so that it pushes on it, like it's a little pressure back there. Because if it wants to ooze a little bit, it can maybe like swell the area, fill it with a little blood so that it takes longer for it to heal.
Okay.
But it
And
looks very nice.
he's
and healthy.
okay with I give him some Tylenol or Advil on the way.
Tylenol's fine, yeah.
Okay.
Do you have Tylenol? I can give you some on the way back. If you...
I actually do.
Oh, you do. She's on it. Yeah. What else? So 10 days. If you want us to see him, that's fine too. Just call us.
Okay.
But it's a holiday, so make sure it's just not Christmas. Actually, Christmas.
Okay.
I don't think we're gonna be here then. That's it. That one was a fighter. I don't know how happy. I'm sure she's gonna love watching that. I don't know. That was not great. Sorry, you didn't make as good of a video as we would have liked. Couldn't you have cooperated more? You actually did really well. You cooperated. Look, he gotta move his hands around. Now they're all numb and stuff. He was tense.
Yeah.
You did great. Didn't hurt you too bad, right?
No.
Now you say okay. Isn't that interesting how you could see that lipoma under there though, and like how it was kind of like just wedged under there? They like burrow in there like little gophers or something.
The one that I thought was like super like interesting was that one where the guy that had the one on the above his knee.
On the show, you mean?
Yeah, on the
Oh, the
show.
cyst. That was a cyst,
That
wasn't
was
it?
huge, and
Yes,
how
it
it
was.
bugged him
I
when
did
he
not
put
think
his
that was a
pants
cyst.
on.
Yeah. Yes. There you go.
Like, wow.
That go nice and flat. Let me see. Let me fix your head. Yeah, he's all moved. Lift, straighten your head again. There. You can lie back down. I just want to take a picture of you.
Shoot.
Yeah.
It's just fatty tissue.
Wow.
It's like General Cho's chicken.
Wow.
He's like, gross.
We're
Get me
going
out of here.
Popeyes for lunch.
I like that stuff.
We're going to Popeyes for lunch.
Wow.
It's just a
Go.
little bit.
That's it.
Yeah.
Your little baby.
That's good.
Wow.
Aww.
That's something, huh?
You
Wait, we
want
gotta
a
pose
little,
for the
you want a
camera
little
back
piece
there.
in the jar?
No.
Oh, good. See?
No, sushi or something.
It's not sushi.